Today on Master Test, 14 students compete for the perfect test.
Today, you're going to be working with something that requires 100% of your attention.
Some will divide and conquer, and others just won't add up.
Your 30 minutes starts now. "15 minutes.
Oh no!
And time. Chad, bring your test up here, please. Put your test down on the table. Is this your best work?
Yes.
Let's find out.
Oh no!
Chad, this work is so close. If you remember to carry your one, next time you're gonna be 100%. You're gonna stay in this competition, and I believe you can be one of the best.
Okay.
All right, you can have a seat. Now, Jennifer, bring your test forward, please. Jennifer, hand me your test. Do you believe this is your best work?
Yeah.
This is the best test you've turned in yet.
Yay!
You have a long way to go, and I'm really proud of what you've done so far. Be proud of yourself. You did great.
Thank you.
You can have a seat.
Okay.
It's time for us to decide who stays and who goes home. The person going home today is all of you, because it's 3 p.m. You guys can get out of here.